Students in the electronics industry have surely heard of PCB assembly, but what exactly is it? Today, I'll break it down in plain language. First, let's talk about PCBs. They're those green, blue, red, or black boards inside devices, essentially the nervous system that connects all electronic components. PCB assembly involves mounting electronic components onto a bare board, transforming it into a functional circuit capable of powering smartphones, industrial equipment, and more. The core process involves 5 steps. First, precisely apply solder paste electronics special glue. Next, use a pick-and-place machine or manually place resistors, capacitors, and chips. Then, pass through a reflow oven to melt the solder and secure the components. Through whole components, use wave soldering or manual soldering. After that, an OE inspects appearance, X-ray checks solder joints under chips, and functional testing follows. Finally, clean residuals and apply protective coatings if needed. Understanding PCB assembly is crucial. It empowers better design, more reliable product planning, and smarter supply chain selection and quality control. 3 common assembly types exist. SMT surface mount technology, mainstream for modern electronics. Cut-through hole technology, suited for large or robust components. And hybrid techniques combining both, most frequently used. From smartphones and automobiles to medical devices and smart home appliances. Nearly all electronics rely on professional PCB assembly. Next time you use an electronic device, remember that the precision assembled PCB inside is the foundation of it all.